Hi, is your computer desk also long time needed a dual monitor table stand? Then today I will show you how to set up a Newstar dual monitor desk stand and how to improve the comfort of your computer use. Start by switching off the computer and removing all the stuff from the desk. Finally, you can also clean the dust so your grandma can come for a visit. I hope you have already ordered the dual monitor desk stand. They are available in many different forms, as stands and as monitor arms. This particular one is the Newstar FPM AD550DBLACK dual monitor desk stand for monitors up to 32-inch. Once you've assembled the stand itself, unscrew the bottom support screw, just enough, so that the stand fits on the desktop. This is how it should fit. In my case, there is a support plate on the back of the desk. I will need to lower plate down, so that there is room for the stand itself, then place the stand in the middle of the desk, or wherever you intend to place the monitors. Make sure the monitor clamp is tight to the edge of the desk, then screw it on securely. No lazing around here, you don't want to see your grandmother's 240Hz gaming monitor fall off. The next step is to screw the VESA mounts to your monitors. Screw them in the right direction so you can then put them on the stand. Keep an eye on your stand manual, because if you take the wrong length screws, they will also unscrew on the other side of the display and damage display. Then attach the other monitor to the VESA mount. Then remove the stand's foot on both monitors, so that they look nicer without the feet. Then put on the stand monitor. With this screw you can adjust the height of the monitor. Don't forget to screw in the safety screw to prevent the monitor from falling. Do the same with the other monitor. Add the video and power cables. Arrange the cables nicely in the places they are supposed to go, so they don't hang. Once both monitors are connected, start the adjustment process. For this stand it's a mess and uncomfortable. Ideally, if the monitors are identical, then it is easier to set them up the same way. In my case, this is the best option, what I was able to get. Then put all the removed things back on the table. It's much better? At least, now there is more space on the table, and finally the displays are at eye level. There will be no tilted heads when playing games. If you have any questions, feel free to write them under this video. Have a nice gaming session.